Showing up when it's inconvenient, standing in the gap when nobody else will, believing when it's hard, but you do this because it matters. You're not just running a program, you're carrying people. You're carrying students. Their stories, their burdens, their potential, their future.
The first thing they were rooted in was faith. They had the belief that whoever they were in front of could be somebody. And so they imparted that belief to them by the way they talked, by the way they walked, by the way they showed up for the person. The second thing they had, on top of the faith, they also had hope. They also helped students look around and see things are actually happening. See, hope is not a future tense. Hope is a present tense right now. And if you open your eyes and you see there are things that are happening right now that could be changing your life. And these people in my life allow me to see the extraordinary out of the ordinary things happening every day. But lastly, I could not step off this stage without telling you that the biggest transformation, the most important roots that you need to build yourself in is the root of love. Do you have that faith, trio? Do you have that hope? And most importantly, do you have that love? Because it's those three things that will allow for your village not only to grow, but to grow stronger together.